Hey everyone, my name is Peyton, and this is a very quick tutorial on how to reach the marketplace inside of Unreal Engine 5 itself. So Fab Marketplace is the new marketplace for Unreal Engine. It's kind of a one-stop shop for everything that you could possibly need if you're looking for either purchasing or getting free content to use inside of the engine itself. But basically it kind of replaced the old Unreal Engine marketplace. But the nice thing, especially with 5.5, if you're in that, is that it's already integrated into here. So the connection's very seamless and you can quickly add things to your project. So if you open up your content browser right down here, you can see that I already have this as one of the things that I added. It's just one of the Quixel sort of demos or so. With a couple of the trees and everything. But how you can find the Fab Marketplace is there's a couple ways, but right here now, just by default, you can hit the Get Content from Fab button, and this will actually open up the Fab Marketplace right in the engine itself, which is super nice. Alternatively, there's also, if you go up to Window, there is the Get Content location for Quixel Bridge, Open Marketplace, Fab, but yeah, you can also find it there. But once you're inside of Fab, this is a really great way to just bring in already existing assets, like I was mentioning, if you're not planning to make them, or you're just, depending on how your project and your industry is, you might be utilizing a lot of what's on the marketplace. So I did want to really quickly just go through, of course, and show how you could add something. Since I am in Unreal Engine 5.5, a lot of the actual assets and kits and all are not ready for this engine yet, so the version might be an older one, so it might be hard to just like integrate it seamlessly. However, you could still, there are workarounds to get that information and kind of convert it over to a 5.5 project. However, if we're just looking for actual stuff from the Fab Marketplace to get in here, what we could do is basically look for something. So let's say that I want to add a rock. I could type in rock right here. I could change the price to free, since I'm probably not gonna pay for something just because of this video. And then I could also look for supported engine versions if we want to find something for 5.5. So with that, now, you know, we're finding things specifically for this version of the engine, and we should be able to actually basically grab items and potentially bring them into our project. Also, we'll just, click on FBX just in case, but now that we're here, we basically go in, and if you found a specific set that you liked, you could just add it to your project like this, and it's going to take a second to download depending on the size and all, but once that is done, then we should be able to go down to the content drawer. I'll go back to my actual content, and we can see that this stylized rock kit is right here, and here's the models. I can just drag it in, and now we have that once it updates. So really quick and easy way to add things to your scene and basically be able to use pre-existing assets from a lot of talented people making assets and all for the Fab Marketplace, and being able to use those can really help out your environments and what you're specifically trying to work on for your projects. So yeah, hope you found this helpful. Like I said, super quick video. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to drop below in the comments, and feel free to subscribe as well if you want videos similar to this in the future. All right, I'll see you in the next one.